In today's lesson, we're going to learn the difference between a humanoid died event and a player removing event in Roblox. Okay, so first let's go to the server script service and add a script. And to do the humanoid died event, you're going to do that inside of the player added event. So first we're going to put in the player added event. We're going to do game dot players dot player added colon connect to a function, and we're passing in the player parameter. Actually, it's passed in automatically by the system. We need to get the player's character, so we're going to use the player that is being passed in dot character added we're going to connect to a function, and in this case the character is automatically passed in. And then we need to get the humanoid to use the humanoid died event. So to get the humanoid, let's declare a local variable humanoid equals to character wait for child humanoid. Here I'm just gonna insert a I'm just gonna increase my speed because I like to run fast. So I'm gonna say humanoid dot walk speed plus equal to 80. So I'm increasing my speed by 80. And then next we're gonna put in the humanoid died event. So we're gonna say humanoid dot died. We're gonna connect to a function, and inside our function we're just gonna print out humanoid has died. Next, let's put in the player removing event. So we're gonna go down here and say game dot players dot player. Instead of player added, we're gonna use player removing. And again, we're gonna connect to a function, passing in the player. But in this case, we're just going to print a message. Player has left their game. Alright, so let's play the test. As you can see, currently there are no messages inside my output box right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run and jump off, and that's the reason why I gave myself a lot of speed, so I can do it fast. So I'm gonna jump off, and I'm gonna die once I jump off. And look in my output box right here, you can see a message saying humanoid has died, right? So if I go and do that again, I'm gonna run and jump off. I died again. Now we got another message, so we got two messages. Humanoid has died times 2. Same thing happens if you go and you're just gonna reset your character. There we have it. Humanoid has died times 3, right? On the other hand, if I, instead of dying inside the game, if I just leave, like if I just press stop here, then you see player has left the game. Now the same thing would happen if you have left the game by clicking the leave button here. And there it is, player has left the game. So basically, the humanoid died event happens when the player dies or when you hit the reset button, and the player removing event happens when you leave the game or you close your browser. So those are the 2 different events that you can use inside your Roblox game. The first one, the die event, for example, you can use that to reset the player's score. And the player removing event, you can use that to notify other players in the game that this one player has left the game. But those are just an example of what you can use. Basically, you can do anything you like once the player died or once the player has left the game.